This Key Allegro Real Estate property video is presented by Robin Martin. The Gables at Copano Vista features the highly sought-after loft design. On the first floor you'll find the laundry room, oversized garage which includes a large enough space to accommodate a bay boat, huge storage space thanks to the staircase, and a bonus room/4th bedroom offered furnished excluding a few items. On the second floor you will enjoy an open living and dining area. The primary suite and second bedroom are also on the second floor. Designed for privacy, here you'll enjoy an expansive third bedroom with its own half bath. The Gables of Copano Vista offers the best of amenities in Rockport-Fulton. A fabulous bayside pool, clubhouse, private fishing pier and gated community. Gorgeous afternoon sunsets. For more